Yes, class 8. Question number 16 also I want to discuss with you, because question 15 you can try. It's very easy. It's similar to your question number 14. Difference is given between CI and SI, and here also the same thing is given, and you want the sum. That means you want the principal, as we have done in 14th question. So 16th question is, find the amount and compound interest on rupees 12,800 for 1 year at 7.5% per annum compounded semi-annually. Now what's annually means 1 year. तो जैसे ही सेमी एनुअली वर्ड हमने यूज़ किया मीन्स हाफ ईयर. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि नाउ क्वेश्चन इज लाइक वर्कशीट 2, बिकॉज इन वर्कशीट 2 ऑल्सो वी हैव डन कि व्हेन कंपाउंडेड सेमी एनुअली इज देयर. Okay, so the thing is what to do. We want amount and compound interest. Principal is given, rate is given, time is given, and it is given when interest compounded semi annually. You can say means half yearly, or you can say after 6 months. That means we have to pay interest after 6 months, or half year, or semi annually. There are 3 words used for 6 months. Okay, so remember what we have to do with rate and time. Time is 1 year, so that means if interest paid half yearly, so how many times I have to pay interest? 2 times. So time will become 2 half year, and rate is given 15/2. And because I have to reduce rate, I have to divide rate by 2. So 15/2 divided by 2, I'll get 15/4% per half year. Remember I told you this thing is the most important thing कि रेट हाफ होनी चाहिए, और टाइम भी आपका प्रैक्टिकली सोचना है आपने कि अगर 1 ईयर टाइम आपने लिया है तो आपको हाउ मेनी टाइम्स पे इंटरेस्ट? 2 टाइम. तो टाइम विल बिकम 2 हाफ ईयर. 1 ईयर को 2 ईयर नहीं लिखना, 2 हाफ ईयर लिखना है. So now amount is equal to 12,800 multiplied by 1 plus 15/4 multiply 100. When we will do cutting, we are getting 1/1 plus 3/80 power 2, because time 1 year जो था वो 2 half year हो गया. तो this is 3/80. Take the LCM. We are getting 80 plus 3, 83/80. When we will do the cutting, we are getting 13,778. So this amount we have calculated. Now we want interest. So amount minus principal is equal to this, and then answer we are getting 978. Okay, so now one more thing. Question number 17 is, you can see it is 12:1/2. Principal is given and time is given 1.5 year, and it is given compounded half yearly. So you can try this 17th question. See question number 18th. मीरा लेंट आउट ₹20,000 फॉर 9 मंथ. अब टाइम क्या दिया हुआ है? 9 मंथ at 20% per annum compounded quarterly to Mrs. Sharma. What amount will she get after the expiry of the period? अब टाइम है 9 मंथ, रेट है 20% पर एनम, और इंटरेस्ट कब देना है हमें? हर क्वार्टर के बाद. तो क्वार्टर का मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ? क्वार्टर का मतलब हुआ आफ्टर 3 मंथ्स के बाद हमें इंटरेस्ट पे करना है. तो 9 मंथ्स में हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी विल गो टू पे इंटरेस्ट? सो दिस इज principal is given 20,000, rate is given 20% per annum, and time is 9 months. So when interest paid quarterly, rate will reduce by 4. So we will get 20/4 is equal to 5% per quarters, and n is equal to 9 months में कितनी बार हमें देना पड़ेगा इंटरेस्ट? 3 टाइम. तो वी विल गेट n is equal to 3 quarters. तो अमाउंट is equal to 20,000. 1 plus 5 upon 100 whole power 3, and when we will substitute, we will get 23,152.50, and in this question we have to calculate amount only. So this is only the आंसर. वंस अगेन, अगर इंटरेस्ट क्वार्टरली पे करना है तो टाइम को प्रैक्टिकली सोचना है. क्वार्टर मीन्स 3 मंथ्स. तो 9 मंथ्स में हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव टू पे इंटरेस्ट? 3 टाइम्स. टाइम, तो n विल बिकम 3/4 और रेट तो पर एनम के अकॉर्डिंग दी हुई है, तो रेट को हमें 4 से ही डिवाइड करना है, तो 20/4 इज इक्वल टू 5% पर क्वार्टर. ओनली बी केयरफुल अबाउट दीज टू थिंग्स, द रेस्ट calculation is clear to you.